So yeah, we in Savannah, Georgia. Small town, man. Small town, low-hanging trees, man. Jump was crazy, but I made it. Got there, had to do a little turnaround. I ended up on the wrong side of the street. I needed to come out my other doors. As you can see, I got multiple doors on my trailer, man. But I gotta turn this truck around so we can get out the right side, which is actually the passenger side, and the house is actually on the other side, as you can see right here. 3-story houses, man. 3-story houses, man. The jump was crazy. 3 flights of stairs. Or should I say 2 flights of stairs? Still 3rd floor house, townhouse. So man, yeah, man, we turned the truck around and got it rolling, man. Wasn't too bad though. Wasn't too bad.
Got a wheel, man. You know what I mean? My boy.
So all the people that don't know, as a professional mover, man, you load your truck up pretty tight. You have multiple doors to come out of, but when you come out of these doors be filled with everything you done stacked up. So you actually have to take your time and get this stuff out. I mean, I kind of cut it a little short because this part is the part that usually takes the most time when it's time to start unloading. But as you can see right now, we're taking our time getting little things out. Start from the top and work your way towards the bottom as much as you can until you're able to get those ramps out. But it wasn't too bad, man. Like I said, we got it out. We eventually got rolling. Now let the fun begin. Man, these stairs were something else. I mean, we young, it's 2 of us, and we don't stop for breaks. On this job, we did not stop. We knew what we was getting into today. So there was no time for no breaks, man. As a professional mover, sometimes you just, muscle through it. I mean, if you can, take a break. If you need to, you need that food and you need that energy, take that break. I've been doing this for so long, so far already, so I don't need a break. I just want to get my job done so I can go on to the next one. So.
What's your name, man? Jason, man. Jason? Yeah, got a lot to do, huh? That's not too bad, man. You can go from there to the front right here, so ain't too bad.
Right about that one.
Yeah, Jay, you say you coming to help. His name Jason. Oh, man.
Hey, boss man, they say 3 levels for 3 people.
Oh, man. -1, baby boy. Okay. In the freezer. He been saying this spot. He said he was at customer of the month, so he's trying to keep that. Two, right?
Months, yeah. I waited until I was 40, so yeah. Oh, she loves Boys to Men.
Well, I guess you can call this a break.
Big times of this. Hey, bring it up!
No!
That man told me no.
That man told me no. I was just talking all that. Huh? I was talking all that for the camera.
Oh, say it. Say what you gotta say.
You feel me? Y'all see that? Now he just can't, you know, clear the scene. Hey, stop.
You're not this way.
Killing me. Look at him, man. That's him.
I'm singing my girl, not y'all. They be on my dick at work. Hey, I'm singing to my girl. You feel me? I ain't singing to y'all though. Without you, I'ma fuck some shit up like go on without you, bro. Real shit.
Look at this dude. He didn't hurt himself.
Every day the usual.
Oh, it's on the window right there.
Watch this Band-Aid.
That's called the mover's Band-Aid. That's a whole lot of tissue for a mover's Band-Aid, though, for a little old finger. Oh, okay. I was trying to make sure you weren't going to use a lot of tissue for a little mover's cut Band-Aid.
See, I'm a player. And what a player do?
Players fuck up. Players fuck up.
Players fuck up.
Have to deal with. You got the shirt on backwards, player.
You got it on backwards, player.
It's all right. Why you ain't do nothing?
Why ain't y'all do nothing when the fat bitch jumped up?
Oh, shoot. Ooh, get out the way. Ooh. What do you want? This one or that one? This or that? This or that? This or that? This, and you can get the this, or you can get with that. And you can get with this, or you can get with that. And you can get with this, but this is where it's at.
Come on. Hey.
You don't want it?
Yeah. I'm boy that bitch freestyling this.
Nah, they didn't want you to start freestyling, though.
Niggas think this shit a joke. We carrying all these totes.
See?
What? Hold up, hang them by a rope.
What?
Ooh, stop playing this.
So that was pretty much it, man. We had a nice little day. The shipper was very cool, like I said. We got a nice little tip at the end, about a $200 tip a piece. You know, this is pretty much it. As you can see, it's just a soap and a couple pieces left. But yeah, man, that was it, man. We knocked it out. So I hope you guys liked this video. We have a couple more videos coming up, but you guys stay tuned and hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't already did it. Let's go.